Yes, it is true that a single video can bring the massive change onto your channel, and that is what has happened over here on my channel. So this single video actually got me 4,000 subscribers. 4,000 subscribers from a single video. Yes. 4,000 subscribers from just a single video. It's not magic, it's not any extraordinary thing, but just a simple thing that I did, something very simple that all small YouTubers can also implement, that I did, and that is exactly what I'm going to reveal in this particular video to you. So if you happen to be new over here and you are willing to grow your YouTube channel, please do well to watch this particular video from start to the end, and don't forget to be my subscriber so that you can continuously be receiving powerful tips and tricks like this. And so in this particular video, I'm going to take you through what I did exactly to get 4,000 subscribers in just one particular video. So straight away, let's get into the YouTube studio, and then as you can see clearly, this is the video that got me 4,000 subscribers. As you can see, that is it, 4,000 subscribers, 4K subscribers with just one particular video. And now all boils down to how the video was made, and so I'm going to send you to exactly how I made this video. Now this works best in the United States of America. That's those small YouTubers in the UK, small YouTubers in the UK, in the United States of America, and anywhere, actually anywhere across the globe. All you've got to do is to be able to follow carefully and keenly, so you can also practice it, and hey, you're gonna see massive changes onto your channel. Now first of all, we start the video by talking about the title. Now this is the video title: no watch hours, no subscribers, turn this off. You see, the title is very short, not that lengthy. Now when you are giving out a title, watch closely over here. You could see that you are supposed to use only 100 characters. So I was able to use characters less than 50. I used only 46 characters. You can imagine. And so there are a number of small YouTubers, they always try to overload the title section, trying to publish everything, like they want to give all details in the title. No, if you continuously do that, it's going to affect you. Let the title be straightforward. The title should be full of curious. The curiosity in the title should be massive, so that your subscribers, your new viewers, those that are going to watch your video, will be triggered to actually click on your video to watch. It should be very short, simple, straightforward. You understand? And then you should also try not to use clickbait title. No, it doesn't work over here. Make sure the title represents the video. Okay, so after getting into the title, now we move on to what we call the thumbnail. Check over here. You can see the thumbnail is the image that pops up whenever there is a video on YouTube. So this particular thumbnail is also having some keywords in the title. For example, turn this off. It's part of the title over here. Just look at it clearly over here. Turn this off over here. Okay, so that is it. That is first one. And so this, it's actually telling you on how exactly I optimized this particular video, and that should tell you that optimization is very important. And so watch it so carefully. First of all, we are done with the title and we are almost done with the thumbnail. So after the thumbnail, now you see on the thumbnail there's something, an inscription over here down there. Just check, in white with a red background, says that it worked, giving out a signal that the practice in there actually worked a lot. And so it's going to throw a positive signal to anyone who's going to see this to also click on that to watch, therefore helping me to get a lot of views and then subscribers. Now let's move on to what we call the file name. You see, the file name also captures the same keywords in the title: no watch hours, no subscribers, turn this off. That is the file name. And so what it means is that, you see, when I finished exporting my video in the whatever application that I used, actually I used CapCut. So whenever I finish exporting my video, I changed the file name. There are a number of small YouTubers, when they finish exporting your video, you see the video is saved with certain, dig it, okay, change that, rename that using file manager. I've actually made a video on that. on this same my channel how to change your file name. Okay, so what that particular video, actually this is that particular video over here on top over there. After watching this video, you can check it out and watch that video on how to change your file name. Change it, and then you use the title of your video to save that particular video as the file name. You see, I will let you know why you are doing all this, so watch carefully and you're going to grab something very important. Now let's get to the description. Over here to the description, you could see that the keywords in the title have also been used here. For example, let's check this keyword, this first keyword, watch hours. You can see there's watch hours showing over here, as you can see, with a blue background. Yes, and then we also have subscribers also showing over here as part of the description. You see subscribers also over here. You understand? And so you are doing all these to optimize it. Now let's check the turn off is also showing up over here. So what I'm trying to say over here is that whatever title that you are working with, please make sure you highly optimize it, and you should tailor it with the title, the description, the title, and that of the thumbnail, and also the file name of the video should be tailored with the title, and it should be highly optimized so that when people search for videos around those keywords, your video will be popping up. That's very, very massive. Now let's move on down there to what we call the main keywords. Over here you will see that I use certain keywords, okay, certain keywords, and these same keywords were also used as a tag section of the video. So you can see YouTube watch hours, okay, being the first one, and you can see another one, watch hours, as you can see, boost watch hours. So it's also talking about watch hours, definitely. And then you're also going to see other ones that are also showing the same watch hours. Not forgetting subscribers. Down here you could see we have subscribers over here, okay, therefore throwing a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is about subscribers, it's about how to get watch hours and all that. Now let's jump down. Let me show you. I just talked about the tags, so let me show you exactly where the tags will be seen, and then you could see the tags I use the same keywords as you can see over here. Let's check. You see, we have small YouTubers as part of the tags. We have small YouTubers, we have YouTube watch hours, boost watch hours, get more watch hours, get more watch hours. You see, so it's like get 4,000 watch hours and all that. So what I'm trying to say is that be able to use those keywords in the title to optimize the video. So you see, all around the video you are seeing watch hours, and that is the reason when someone searches for no watch hours, no subscribers, turn this off straightly and straightforward, you are going to see my video popping up. I'm trying to just search it out right away for you to see, and you're going to believe that, hey, all that I teach over here, I also do practice that for you to understand what I'm actually doing over here. Now let's move on straight away. I'll just get back to where the search engine is, and then we do try to search for that. Now the next thing is about what we call hashtag. Hashtag is very important, and it plays a major role in content creation. Now you see, when you check down here, you could see we have SEO, hashtag watch hours, hashtag content creator. You see, the main keyword here is watch hours, and since I'm making a video about watch hours, that is the reason I'm having watch hours as part of my hashtags. You understand? So the keyword is in the title. The same keyword is also found at the thumbnail. That's on the thumbnail or around the thumbnail. The same keyword is also found as part of the file name, and then the description, the tags, and the hashtags. And so when people search for that, straight away your video will be popping up. Let's search for it over here. So no watch hours, no watch hours, no subscribe. Okay, I think it's even that's the it's even written over here. Let's click on that straight away. Let's see the search result and see if my video is actually going to be part of it. You see, straight away and technically and surprisingly, as soon as someone searches for watch hours, my video is topping now. You see, my video is topping. You understand? So that should tell you how highly I was able to optimize this my video to attract the attention of the YouTube algorithm. So that is it. So whenever you're making a video, no matter the niche you find yourself in, please, as a small YouTuber watching from United States of America, that is the US, watching from UK, Germany, wherever across the globe, wherever you find yourself watching the particular video, whenever you're making a video, please make sure you get time to highly optimize your video and tailor it with a title. So everything about the video should also be about the title. The keywords you use should be used across board, and hey, it's actually gonna do the magic for you. That is one of the tricks that I used over here, and it has helped me a lot. Yes, and that's a secret. And so be able to practice that, and hey, you're gonna see massive improvement in your YouTube growth. So that is it. And hey, if you found value in this particular video, this video has actually helped me a lot. Don't forget to share this video so that it blesses and help other people as well. And hey, if you are not part of Ata Smart family, if you are not part of this smart creators family, be part of it right now. Click on the subscribe button, be part of this family, so that whenever there's an update, you can continuously be getting it onto your device, so you can also watch and practice and to grow your YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notifications on your phone. But I have this particular video over here for you. Please do well to watch this particular video. This video is here to help everyone who would want to get the 4,000 watch hours so that they get their channel monetized. I've been able to get 6,000 watch hours with just a single video, and I've showed that in this particular video how I was able to do that. Click on it, watch right now, and hey, you're also going to give testimonies. Thank you, and see you next time in my next video.